Let's see what are the joints. Joints occur when the bones meet. They not only hold our skeleton together but also give it the mobility. Joints are classified on the basis of the amount of movement allowed by them into three categories: immovable joints, slightly movable joints, freely movable joints. The freely movable joints are of two types: hinge joint and ball and socket joint. Joints are also classified on the basis of the structure. Number one, fibrous joint. These joints are held together by short collagen fibers embedded in connective tissue. Such joints are present in skull and they fix teeth into the jaw. Cartilaginous joints. These joints allow little or no movement. Hyaline cartilage forms joint between growing bone. The bones held together by fibrous cartilage are found between vertebrae at the point where coxal bones meet in front of the pelvis. Synovial joints. These joints contain a cavity filled with fluid and are adapted to reduce friction between the moving joints. The joint is surrounded by a layer of connective tissue called fibrous capsule and the inner layer of the synovial membrane. Some parts of the capsule may be modified to form distinct ligament holding the bones together. Based on the structure and movements allowed, the synovial joints can be classified further into major categories: hinge joint and ball and socket joint. The joint that allows the movement in two directions, these are at the elbow and at knee. At these joints, pair of muscles are arranged in same place as that of joints. One end of each muscle, the origin is fixed to the immovable bone on one side of the joint, and the other end of the muscles, the insertion is attached to the far side of the joint. Number two, ball and socket joint, the joint that allows the movement in several directions. Such joints have at least two pairs of muscles present perpendicular to each other. They provide maximum flexibility. Hip joint and shoulder joint are the examples of ball and socket joints.